Hi guys, you're kind of west of a crossing in Bridgend
Where you going?
with Dear Shades Wales and Alfie's Life.
Alfie, come back.
I'm trying to film the lights here.
No.
It's right, Theo, I'm fine.
Right, come on. Let's go protect him. I know, where you going?
This for the 2 Golf 62. Slightly delayed 1452 transport for Wales service from my side to Cheltenham Spa. I have no idea what the time is, but this train is delayed.
Cross that white line.
No, it's not a white line. Look, see? It's not a red barrier. Look.
No, white line.
Anyway.
There's this line that pedestrians need to stand behind, but we're not actually pedestrians.
Yeah. Anyway, the time now is 14:53.
14:53.
September 2019. This should be right. Pants.
Oh, brutal.
Well, all I wanted was a BCD.
No. No crap. Same as Ponsant.
All I wanted was a BCD.
White line. White line's there.
Anyway, this is for the 1452. 262 Golf.
2 Lima.
Sorry.
2 Golf 62.
No, yeah, so 2 Golf 62 arrival trains. Sorry, 1452 expected 454. 2 Golf 62 arrival trains with service from my state to Cheltenham
Won't
Spa.
get a beep.
Yeah.
Come back.
I'm gonna hold my phone up like this.
Yeah. So, get the end of it.
Got.
Come on, man.
Come on, 150 or whatever you are. 5229. Thank you. 5229 and 15367 to Cheltenham Spa. And up they go.
29 to 150, 15367 to Cheltenham, and Cheltenham they go.
Next one then.
Next video.